All right, I'm looking at an assembly drawing. This is for the Lonsdale project for APT. And you can see an assembly drawing here. It's quite complicated. It's really easy to miss a dimension. And if you do that, it's a massive headache for the guys on the shop floor. You know, they have to get on the phone, and someone has to pick up the phone in time, and there's a back and forth, a massive headache. I mean, you've got an existing 3D view which might help conceptualize, but it's not perfect. You need the exact dimension. Well, if you have a QR code reader or scanner, simply scan the QR code. In this case, I'm going to click on this link. Both go to the same place. So if we click here, guess what? We see the assembly, which is very handy. And more important than that, it tells us that the revision number that we have, in other words, the drawing that we're currently looking at, which is this drawing here, it tells us that this drawing is revision number is good. Can you imagine the headache you would have if you fabricated to an old revision number? It's happened before, and it's a massive headache and cost. So this will help you. Just to know that the revision is good is should help you and be valuable. But more than that, if there's a missing dimension, you can measure it yourself. I mean, you could flip it around and you could say, okay, what's the distance from, let's say, here all the way to here? And you click and it'll tell you. There you go. So we're going to be rolling this out over the next, in a test phase. This is not absolutely perfect. There are going to be some kinks. We're going to roll it out and we'll see how that goes. If you're interested, let me know.